Hi, I'm Marilena Branco, Global Application Specialist at Biorigin. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare a great plant-based burger with 40% of sodium reduction using a special Umami yeast extract, Bionis YE GMX DK. Now we are going to show how to prepare this plant-based burger with 40% of sodium reduction. Here we already have the soy protein, the red meat, and also the smoked flavor. Okay, this is the yeast extract that we are going to use. Bionis YE GMX DK is a dark yeast extract with a specific grilled meaty taste and naturally rich in umami. I will just put here. I will mix very well together with the red beet and the smoked flavor. Now we need to hydrate this soy protein. Just pour the water, keep mixing. And you can see the color of the yeast extract. This yeast extract also works as an alternative of caramel color. He will bring the taste and also the color in your application, in your recipe. Let's wait some minutes until the soy protein gets more hydrated, okay? After hydrating the soy protein, you can see that the color changed. We can put the other ingredients of the recipe. Here the mix of garlic and onion. Just mix well. Now you can add the starches that will be responsible to give the final texture of this recipe. Just mix it. It starts to get a little bit more hard to mix, but it's normal. You can mold, you can starting to get the shape. And after mixing well this ingredient, you can add the fat. The fat is just to give the idea, the appearance of a standard burger. Just break the pieces of the fat and mix it well. After mixing well, you can mold the patties in the regular shape of a burger, okay? Just to show you here, I prepared a recipe without using the yeast extract, and here is a recipe using the Bionis YE GMX DK. So here we can see there is no, is more a raw meat color, and here is more a caramel color. After that, you can grill the patty. We prepared two recipes, one without using the yeast extract and another one using Bionis YE GMX DK. It's noticeable that the Bionis YE GMX DK improves very well the color of this recipe. You can see here, without using it, the color is more pinky, more similar to raw meat, and here gives this caramelic color very similar to the burger, the standard burger. Also, this extract will improve and give more meaty, really meaty taste, umami, and also mask the off notes of the vegetable protein.